Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing the Carolina Herrera CH Initials Insignia satchel. This bag that we're looking at today is in the brown color. However, it does come in a variety of different colors and a variety of different sizes. So you'll see that there is the CH embossed design on the leather here, and then it also comes with two handles. So one is a crossbody strap and the other is actually an extender, so it actually makes it a little bit longer. So I have personally never needed to use the extender. I think the crossbody strap is long enough as it is, and I haven't actually adjusted it, but at least you do have a few additional buttons on the main strap as well to find the sweet spot for you. What I really love about this bag is that every piece of it looks so luxurious. It looks very well made, well crafted, and really thought out. So Carolina Herrera bags are all handmade in Spain, and that is actually common with luxury purses. So you know that these are really great quality. Even taking a look at the leather itself and the additional stitching, the inside features, it is all very great quality. Now this bag has an interior zip pocket for a little extra organization, but it's not too involved. The front closes at the CH logo with a few little magnetic balls that kind of snap into place. And that is kind of it. So it's just a great bag, a really great staple. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.